YouTube, how's it going? Rob, Chicken Ranch Homestead. Out doing morning chores, so we're going to show a quick video here, and we're going to show you what we found. Now, we knew some was coming. When, not sure, but hey, bad weather, what's going to happen? Goats are goat kid. So we had a new kid goat. One second, let me jump the fence. Not shock myself. So we had a new goat, single, male. Let me get to you. Well, there's Mom. That's Boo. And let's find him. There he is. Right? Yeah, there he is. Valentino. Hey! He's got art on his back. So we're going to call him Valentino. But Boo gave birth to a single male, who we believe is a Spanish goat. She was bred by Bucky, which was 100% melotonic. So that's a half melotonic, half Spanish, we believe. So you'll have fainter in them. Bucky had a lot of faint in them. Not too bad. And of course the goat is playing with my tripod holder. But he's in good shape. It was a single. He's huge. He's big as the triplets right now. He's got horns. Yeah, that's right, buddy. Mom's being very protective, very good. Calls out. But everything's going good. All right, so that's it. Quick video today. There's Mom. There's the baby. That's it for goat kids this year. Well, this season. So we got 2 males, 5 females. One of the males will go. Jack will go because we don't need Jack. Valentino here, the new one, he is only related to Boo. So we will probably keep him here because he is meat goat. And then we have Dweezil. So we'll keep them here. We'll grow them out. We'll see what we see. If we like them, we'll keep them. If not, we will sell them. But yeah, Jack should be up for sale essentially now. If you're in the area, one Norwegian or Nigerian dwarf goat, male buck. He's a good size looking buck, and he's up for sale, Western Pennsylvania. All right, I'll see you around. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks to all the new subscribers. See you later.